Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Aye, aye, aye. Rasta man, it's so high. A music player man. Hear the pounding in the street. Iron drumbeat move the feet. Calling warriors, calling friends. Rhythm rise and Babylon ends. Thunder echo, bassline roll. Iron drum, ignite the soul. No more silence, no retreat. People march pon iron beat. Sound wave travel, wall collapse. just shine so pure and still. Break the darkness, clear the way. Turn the night into bright day. Every ray I promise keep. Wake the soul from Babylon sleep. Light of Zion never fade. Shine from now till earth remade. Light of Mount Zion, bright and clear. Guide the people far and near. Lead we through this storm and fight. Keep we walking in Jah light. Me climb the path with steady pace. Feel just sunlight on me face. It warm me heart, it lift me soul. Make the broken spirit whole. It show the road fi trod in peace. Tell the war and hate fi cease. Every shadow fade away when Zion light begin fi stay. Babylon try fi hide the beam, but Jah light cut through the scheme. It pierce the lies, it break the chain. It heal the heart and ease the pain. No mountain tall, no valley deep can block the light Jah children keep. It shine through ages, strong and true. Light fi guide both me and you. Me see the youth, them lift them high. Watch the light fill up the sky. It teach them hope, it teach them love. Blessing from the one above. No greed, no hate can make it dim. This light forever come from him. It call we all to righteous plan. Light of Jah fi every man. When the evening start to fall, still the light will bless us all. It glow through night till morning come, beating rhythm like the drum. From first creation till the end, light of Zion we defend. It lead the way till kingdom near, and Babylon disappear. Shine high, shine low, everywhere the people go. Break chain, break night, fill the world with holy light. No storm, no wall can hide the beam. Light of Zion reign supreme. Light of Mount Zion, bright and clear. Guide the people far and near. Lead we through this storm and fight. Keep we walking in Jah light. From mountain top to ocean floor. Light of Zion forevermore. Now Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Burning flame from Zion land, holy spark of Jahan. It blaze eternal, never gone. Zion fire blazing strong. It burn the wicked, cleanse the soul. Zion fire make we whole. No Babylon can stop the flame. Zion fire call Jah name. Zion fire blaze so bright, shining pure, the holy light. Every spark eternal flame. Zion fire exalt Jah name. never cease. Zion fire bring Jah peace. It warm the heart, it light the way. Zion fire every day, forever glowing, pure and white. Zion fire, hold it tight. Me see it blazing morning sun. Zion fire never done. It cleanse the land, it heal the pain. Zion fire forever reign, forever burning, strong and true. Zion fire carry you. It blaze the night, it blaze the dawn. Zion fire still carry on. It rise eternal, pure and strong. Zion fire, just song. No Babylon can dim the flame. Zion fire, praise his name. Eternal burning, pure and free. Zion fire, destiny. It blaze the nations, blaze the sea. Zion fire, eternity. When the trumpet sound again, Zion fire still remain, forever holy, never cease. Zion fire bring Jah peace, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion fire, Jah way, eternal blazing, pure and long. Zion fire, Jah song. Blaze high, blaze free. Zion fire, eternity. No chain, no wall can quench the flame. Zion fire, call Jah name. Zion fire, blaze so bright, shining pure, the holy light. Every spark, eternal flame. Zion fire, exalt Jah name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn. Zion fire still carry on.
Rise up, my people, this is for my brothers and sisters, yeah, man.
Flow, mystic river flow, carry me where me need to go. Me drop my pain up on the stream, me chase my dream. Jack around, pull me home, no need for room. Me stand by the water edge, whisper my pledge. Guide me Jah through storm and rain, wash my pain. The river sing a sacred song, me sing along. My soul feel new again. Free from chain, me travel downstream, slow learning as me go. Each ripple teach me peace, all worries cease. The water cool my head, my spirit fed. John in the flow, now me know. Hey, mystic river roll, cleanse my soul, carry me far, carry me free. To Zion sea, mystic river deep. Secrets you keep, flow eternal strong. Where me belong, me see reflection of the sky. My spirit high, every wave a sign from Jah. Blessed me heart, me feel a healing star deep in my heart. The river whisper still, follow me will. My beard in the holy tide, my heart open wide, me release what no belong. Sing my song, mystic river calm and wide. Jah inside, carry me truth away to brighter day. My float on my bridge, I guide my way. Mystic river speed, strength for the weak, yeah. Mystic river road, cleanse my soul, carry me far, carry me free to Zion sea. Mystic river deep, secrets you keep, flow eternal strong, where me belong. So when my life turns slow, me let the current flow. Mystic river never end, forever my friend.
Aye, Kaya Cushion, Zion, Reggae, yeah, man. In the garden, strong and tall, tree of life, embrace us all. Roots so deep in holy ground, tree of wisdom all around. Babylon axe may try to fall, tree of life still stand for all. Every leaf a sacred flame, tree exalt the holy name. Hey, elders sit beneath the shade, tree of life where prayer is made. Every story, old and true, tree of knowledge, shine anew. Child of morning, laugh and play, tree of love, protect the day. Every branch a melody, tree of mercy set us free. Hey, fruit so sweet for every hand, tree of life bless all the land. No more hunger, no more pain, tree of truth forever reign. Bird them bill and nest so high, tree of peace embrace the sky. Every blossom bold and bright, tree of Zion hold the light. Poet write beneath the bow, tree of life inspire now. Every line a sacred song, tree of love keep moving strong. No corruption break the wood, tree of mercy always good. Everlasting, pure and free, tree of justice victory. Hey. Generation sit and rest, tree of life provide the best. Every season come and go, tree of mercy still will grow. Storm may rage and winds may roar, tree of truth forevermore. Sacred pillar, bold and strong, tree of Zion sing the song. Hey. Morning light upon the leaves, tree of life no man deceives. Every shade a holy sign, tree of justice still divine. Even stranger weak and tired, tree of love make them inspired. Every root a prophecy, tree of peace eternity. Hey. Never fading, never small, tree of life embrace us all. Sacred tower, tall and free, tree of mercy, victory. Glorious flame in every part, tree of Zion heal the heart. Everlasting, bold and true, tree of life in me and you. Hey. Grow, grow, strong and high, tree of mercy touch the sky. Stand, stand, bold and free, tree of love, eternity. Tree of life, sacred flame, glorify the holy name. Never breaking, never fall, tree of mercy shade us all. Forever blooming, strong and pure, tree of justice will endure. Roots eternal, bold and free, tree of Zion victory. the natural medicine, yeah man. Oh, no. From the hilltop me chant, me no want, me no flaunt. Me sing for the people, oh, let the whole world know. Freedom echo wide, Jah by my side. Me voice rise from the dust, full of trust. Me no bow to oppression and me stand, me sing for justice true. Me sing for you, every word me chant, break ignorance plan. Yeah, me feel the chain still tight, but me bring light. Me rhythm break the wall, free them all. Babylon no like me song, but me strong. Voice of freedom loud, lift the crowd. Yeah, voice of freedom cry, lift it to the sky. Every soul deserves to live, so me give, so me give. Voice of freedom strong, sing all night long, till the pain fade away, new day. Me walk through feel of fire, still me higher, me sing for the lost and weak. Truth me speak, every note me send above, filled with love, Rasta guide my way, night and day. Me no silence me sound till peace found. Me chant from street to stage across every age. Me carry the flame so bright through the night. Voice of freedom rise again, heal the pain. Me sing for the voiceless still, Jah will. Me call the youth for unite, hold the light. Yeah, voice of freedom cry, lift it to the sky. Every soul deserves to live, so me give, so me give. Voice of freedom strong, sing all night long, till the pain fade away, new day. So when we're gone from earth, remember the word, voice of freedom remain. True joy and pain.
Nah, ganja is the medicine, yeah, man. Garden bloom in Zion land, planted by the Father's hand. Every flower, every tree, Zion garden set me free. It grow the herbs, it grow the fruits. Zion garden, Jah root. No Babylon can spoil
ganja and Zion Raga. Yeah, yeah. Oh, ay, 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 ganja and Zion Raga, yeah, man. Wake up to the ancient beat, drum talk under me feet, wind whisper through the trees, carry a message from the breeze, from Africa to Caribbean shore, me spirit open more and more, the call of the drum never fade, it echo through what Jah made, me hear the elders chant them song, say Rasta youth stand strong. Them rhythm pure, them message wise. Reach the heart, open eyes. Them teach me how to live upright, how to walk in Jah light. Every beat a prayer divine, connecting soul and time. Me see the world in confusion still. Them chase vanity, goal and thrill. But the drum remind me of me root, the melody of truth absolute. Me see the youth, them lose them way. Me chant fi bring them back today. Cause music heal what pain divide, and love nah hide. Call up the drum, rise and play. Guide the people night and day. Beat for justice, beat for peace. Let the wickedness cease. Call up the drum, pure vibration. Unite every nation. Sound of freedom echo strong. Rasta keep it long. Me close me eyes and me travel far. Beyond the moon, beyond the star. Me hear the ancestors whisper clear. Keep the drum, keep Jah near. Every rhythm tell a tale. Every song set sail. Me carry the sound through the storm. Truth in perfect form. Inna the market, inna the street. Drum beat under me feet. Children dance, woman sing. Hope in everything. The world may shake but sound stay pure. The drum keep we secure. Long as the heartbeat still strong, we sing Jah song. Me no fear no system chain. Music heal me pain. From Shashamane to Kingston town, drum never let we down. Every strike a spark of light, burn through the darkest night. Jah rhythm guide me home, never alone. Call out the drum, rise and play. Guide the people night and day. Beat for justice, beat for peace. Let the wickedness cease. Call out the drum, pure vibration. Unite every nation. Sound of freedom echo strong. Rasta keep it long. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Early dawn breeze, kiss my face. Whole world slow in a peaceful pace. My spirit rise with the morning glow. Calling me forth, feel let love grow. Me wander through the city lane, hear footsteps echo joy and pain. Some people people searching, some people hide, but every soul drifting pon the same tide. Me whisper strength to the broken youth, tell them stand firm, walk with truth. Me see them eyes light up again, hope bloom fresh like after rain. Me pass the market, colors bright, voices mixing, pure delight. Tell stories deep and wise, bout how unity lift we to the skies. Me soak it in like sacred rhyme, words were sharpen every time. Me heartbeat steady on the road, carry the weight of a peaceful load. Golden tide flow, lift we higher, warm up the world with gentle fire. Every heartbeat find its place, every soul shine with grace. Golden tide flow, never fade, turn every shadow into shade. Rise as one, let love decide. We move together on the golden tide. Me see a mother calm her child, tell him why the world feel wild. Her voice so soft, her courage tall, a reminder love outshine it all. People gather near the shore, sing them chants from long before. Old rhythm move through every ear, call the people far and near. Nightfall spread a velvet glow, stars them flicker like a show. The drums start beating, steady waves, carrying memories of ancient days. Every dance step tell a tale, faith sails strong like mighty gale. Me feel the unity deep inside, flowing soft like the golden tide. Lift up your mind, lift up your soul. Together we strong, together we hold. No fear can break what love create. Every heart born fi elevate. Hear the breeze, hear the beat, let the harmony make you complete. Golden tide flow, lift we higher, warm up the world with gentle fire. Every heartbeat find its place, every soul shine with grace. Golden tide flow, never fade, turn every shadow into shade. Rise as one, let love decide. We move together on the golden tide. So when the night feel cold or wide, let your spirit be a guide. Hold the joy we live inside, and float forever on the golden tide.
Aye, aye, aye. Rasta Marcus roll this spliff, yeah, man. Lift your eyes to the midnight sky, stars above the nation testify. Silent witness shining bright, guide the people through the night. Not of gold, not of throne, but the heavens we call home. Constellations mark the way, stars declare a brighter day.
the shore. Nation rise forevermore. Every twinkle, every light, promise shine against the night. Sky proclaim what must be done. Stars unite the hearts as one. Message bright in every zone. Heaven write the truth in stone. Drummers beat beneath the glow. Stars inspire them to grow. Every singer lift the song. Stars above keep them strong. Generations gaze above. Stars remind of endless love. Vision pure, never gone. Stars of Zion carry on. Shine, shine, endless flame. Stars exalt your holy name. Glow, glow, far and wide. Stars of Zion still guide. Burn, burn, never die. Stars of Zion fill the sky. Stars above the nation bright. Lead the people through the fight. Never fading, never gone. Stars of Zion carry on. Forever burning clear and true. Stars above still guide you. Through the darkness, through the pain. Stars of Zion still remain. Ay, 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 ay. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Sound the drum from Zion Hill, heartbeat of the Father's will. It called the nations, call them near. Zion drum beat we all hear. From ancient days till present time, Zion drum beat sound divine. No Babylon can silence sound. Zion drum beat all around. Zion drum beat strong and free, echo through eternity. Every thump a holy song. Zion drum beat keep it strong. It guide the people, guide the land. Zion drum beat by Jah hand. Forever steady, pure and wide. Zion drum beat holy tide. It heal the weary, lift the meek. Zion drum beat all hearts seek. From mountain high to valley low, Zion drum beat always flow. Me feel it in the morning sun. Zion drum beat never done. It shake the chain, it break the wall. Zion drum beat for all. Forever thundering, pure and true. Zion drum beat carry you. Eternal rhythm, steady flame. Zion drum beat praise his name. It rise eternal, strong and tall. Zion drum beat bless we all. Forever sounding, never gone. Zion drum beat keep it strong. It call the children, call the youth. Zion drum beat Jah truth. Eternal rhythm, mighty sound. Zion drum beat all around. When the trumpet sound flow. No chain, no war can stop the tone. Zion drum beat set the throne. Zion drum beat, strong and free, echo through eternity. Every thumper, holy song, Zion drum beat, keep it strong. From age to age, from dusk stretch me arms, my mind feel bright. Ready fi walk in the morning light. Me climb the path with quiet grace. Feel the sunrise warm my face. Every stone beneath me tread guide my steps where dreams are led. Me look around and clearly see strength growing naturally. Wind brush soft through tall green pine. Show me life move by design. Me hear echoes from the past. Teach me patience, teach me fast. Mountain spirit, hold me near. Ease the doubt, remove the fear. Rise among the hills tonight. Claim your courage, claim your light. Every heart beats strong and true. Show the world what you can do. Rise among the hills and stand. Hold the future in your hand. Birds fly free along the ridge. Cross the valley, cross the bridge. Me take guidance from the flight. Find new power, find new sight. Every minute bring new hope. Help me learn fi better cope. Villagers greet with open smile. Share their strength for one more mile. Me hold the blessing them provide. Let it flow along the ride. Unity rise in every face. Lift the spirit of the place. Stand firm, breathe deep. Climb the hills your spirit keep. Every journey start within. Let your courage always win. Rise among the hills tonight. Claim your courage, claim your light. Every heart beats strong and true. Show the world what you can do. Hilltop blessings lift you high. Spread your wings and touch the sky. Remember hills strong, make you strong. Rise again, no matter how. Let the mountains guide you now. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Me hear a far off gentle sound. River whisper, rolling round. My mind drift free, my spirit sway. Ready for chant a brighter day. Me walk along the quiet bank. Give thanks for blessing when me thank. Water shimmer, silver blue. Carry secrets old and new. Me stop for listen, touch the floor. Feel a rhythm deep below. It speak of trial, speak of win. Each old journeys must begin. A fisherman cast with patient hand. Master of the tide and sun. He tell me stories about the sea. How every wave set people free. His wisdom simple, still profound. Grown me
with stable sound. He said take life step by step, every movement all a depth. River of echo speak to me, guide my soul to clarity. Flowing wide, flowing strong, teach me how to right the wrong. River of echoes, ancient tune, glow beneath the rising moon. Carry truth down every mile, wash me heart and make it smile. Wash me heart, make it smile. Me cross a bridge of timber hole, hear footsteps of stories told. The wood play cards beneath my feet, steady pulse, so soft, so sweet. Me witness youths dance by the shore, free like never before. Them turn the river into stage, calm the mind, unlock the cage. Nightfall dress the world in blue, crickets start to sing anew. Moonlight kiss the water skin, make it glow from deep within. Me feel the truth rise up again, flow through me like healing rain. The river carry joy and tears, stories stuck from ancient years. Listen close, the current speak, words of strength for when you're weak. Follow where your spirit go, life flow sure like river flow. River of echo speak to me, guide my soul to clarity. Flowing wide, flowing strong, teach me how to right the wrong. River of echoes, ancient tune, glow beneath the rising moon. Carry truth down every mile, wash me heart and make it smile. So when the nights get too heavy, find a river calm and steady. Sit and listen, let it show the peace within the ebb and flow. Na 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 na, na 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 na.
Ay, 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 ay. Smoke and meditate, yeah, man. Me see the towers reach the sky, but truth no living lie. Me feel the wind of judgment near. Jah voice me ear, the world tremble, the system shake. Cause the people awake, Babylon falling, me see the sign. Redemption time, them build them kingdom pon the seat. Them feed the poor with defeat, but every stone them stack so high. Soon crumble, soon dry, the earth cry out in pain. Jah wash it clean again, them can't hide behind them gold. The prophecy unfold, me see the youth them wise again. Rising out the chain, me see the people gather round. Freedom sound, no more leaders full of pride. Truth can't hide, them try to silence your name, but still it flame. Babylon falling, hear the sound, walls are tumble to the ground. Truth are the weapon, love the key, set the captives free. Babylon falling, no delay, Jah kingdom pave the way. Every lie must fade and burn, righteousness return. Me see the mother hold her child, say justice no fi mile. Me see the father chant a prayer, Jah always there. Me see the system lose control, people claim back soul. Me stand up tall and chant me line, time fi redefine. Me no rejoice in another's fall, me just answer jackal. Cause from the ruin come rebirth, new heaven, new earth. Me see the sunrise gold and red, a sign for what Jah said. Babylon fall but we still stand, guided by Jah and taste
turn river, pain turn song. Rasta never wrong, we build again from dust and clay. Just show the way, no crown for the wicked king. Only truth we sing, me hear the thunder roll and call. Babylon fall in hear the sound. Walls are tumble to the ground. Truth are the weapon, love the key. Set the captives free. Babylon falling, no delay. Jah kingdom pave the way. Every lie must fade and burn. Righteousness return. Babylon gone. Babylon gone. Go. Babylon, Babylon, Babylon fall. Babylon. Air cool on me skin tonight. Lanterns glow with gentle lights. Me heart feel open, mind feel clear. Calling blessings far and near. Me stroll through streets soft lit and warm. Shadow shape a quiet farm. People move with easy grace. Joy reflecting every face. Me hear two elders reason deep. Both promises we need to keep. Them words like fire in the cold. Wisdom never growing old. A young musician play his tune. Soft like silver, bright like moon. He sing of dreams he want to chase. Spread his voice all over the place. Me stop, feel, listen, feel the spark. His melody light up the dark. Me tell him continue, never fear. Your song soon travel far and near. Lanterns in the distance shine. Guide the weary, pure divine. Lead we through the darkest hour. Fill the heart with healing power. Lanterns rising one by one. Glow like hope before the sun. Keep the spirit warm and bright. Carry courage through the night. Me wander toward the hillside slope. Find a group chanting songs of hope. Harmony float like sacred breeze. Flow through branches, touch the trees. Me join them with a humble tone. Feel vibration in every bone. Connection deep, connection real. A unity nothing can steal. Down the valley voices spread. People lift them weary head. Lanterns drifting toward the sky. Send up prayers high and high. Me stand and watch the colors rise. Blend with stars before me eyes. Every glow a humble sign that darkness fade when hearts align. Light the mind, light the way. Even small sparks chase career. Every soul whole, ember bright. Share it freely through the night. Lanterns in the distance shine. Guide the weary, pure divine. Lead we through the darkest hour. Fill the heart with healing power. Lanterns rising one by one, glow like hope before the sun. Keep the spirit warm and bright, carry courage through the night. So keep your lantern held up high, let it burn against the sky. Wherever trouble try to roam, your inner light will lead you home.
A gentle twist. Me take a breath, me take it slow. Ja melody start to flow. The hillside covered in morning dew. Fresh breeze carry a vibrant hue. Me walk the path with steady stride. No rush, no worry, just pure pride. Me see the youth, them lift them head. Shake off doubt from what was said. Me tell them focus on your dreams. Even rivers start as streams. A sculptor carved stone by the lane. His hands covered in dust and pain. But from the rock come shape and grace. Strength and beauty share one space. Me reason with him for a while. He teach me patience, teach me style. He say every black hide a hidden key. Carve with love and truth, you'll see. Stone and breeze in harmony, strength and calm in unity. Hold your balance, hold your ground. Let your peace be deep and sound. Stone and breeze in one accord. Move with life, give thanks to Lord. Hold the center, let it ease. Live like stone and flow like breeze. Me step through town as sun get bright. Every corner full of life and light. Children paint murals on the wall. Colorize and never fall. Me feel the vibes in every stroke. Future built from word and spoken creativity. A healing field. Brush and drum become the shield. Evening comes soft like cotton cloth. Birds them settle, breeze blow warm. Me sit and watch the skyline glow. City heartbeat, calm and slow. People gather for small delight. Share them music through the night. Harmony rise in every tone. Blend like breeze, shaping stone. Stand firm like mountain tall, but stay flexible through it all. Life a dance between strong and free. Hold the balance, let it be. Stone and breeze in harmony, strength and calm in unity. Hold your balance, hold your ground. Let your peace be deep and sound. Stone and breeze in one accord. Move with life, give thanks to Lord. Hold the center, let it ease. Live like stone and flow like breeze. When trouble rise or tension freeze, remember the wisdom of stone and breeze. Stay grounded, strong, but light in mind.